The pain for me mostly was emotional. I remember the first few days I came to Ireland when I was still in Balsaskin. I was seeing somebody that was helping me with everything. And because it was hard to even sleep, to even, everything, but it was just reliving the moments every time. And if I ever feel alone, I always ring my mother and we always talk and feel better after talking to her. Well, this happens most of the times. So sometimes you're lucky, sometimes you're not. I love this room. It's my home. And I love the privacy. I mean, there's nothing special about me, but most people in other centers, like many single people, share their rooms. It might look very small, but it gives me peace sometimes, It's just, just to be here on my own space. And 4 years I've been here, so it's become that place of joy, tears, and anything has happened here for the past 4 years. Actually, my kids now know this room as well. Sometimes when I'm ringing them, they want me to move around the room, showing them. They had a fight about who is supposed to be on the right, who's supposed to be on the left. So I keep changing, and yeah, it's been my home. I actually love it.